Well, this is Ian Stevenson, and this is the video walkthrough of the 2018 Sea Ray 250 SDX. This model was just introduced in 2018 and is about the perfect layout for sandbar, cruising, lounging, chilling out all day, a big family with that need of some extra space. So let's take a walk on board and we can show you some of the features of the boat. So over on the swim platform, you can see this nice big lounge area, but it's also capable of this entire bench seat facing forward or aft right here at the sandbar. Beautiful walkthrough here. Everything has non-skid, of course, in-floor storage, and some great lockable things too. This boat is powered by the stern drive 4.5 liter 250 horsepower twin prop motor with a Bravo 3 drive. And it scoots out there. It's a pretty quick boat, cruising at about 27 knots, 40 miles an hour. On a nice windy day like it is today, it'll also handle some real good chop because of how deep the boat is. You see how deep I'm standing in the boat, and everything being covered in all of that nice soft Sea Ray upholstery. Very nice trimmed out. Again, this bench seat is reclinable aft, so you have a nice chaise here. You have a nice chaise over on the port side as well, both for rear-facing seating and, of course, storage all the way down underneath. The helm of the boat is very ergonomically designed, but all of the majority of the switches and gauges, navigation, and everything is right here on that 12-inch screen in the dash. Rockford Fosgate Bluetooth stereo system on this boat, and I'd be totally remiss if I did not show you the massive head compartment on here. Almost big enough to lay down in. Taking a step to the bow. Again, tons of space on this boat, tons of storage, cup holders everywhere. Great for lounging and cruising. And what a better platform for a family out on the water. This is Ian Stevenson. This has been the video walkthrough of the 2018 250 SDX. Come check us out at MarineMax.com.